Bay Windows Warren, Michigan is a service that transforms homes with elegance and functionality. Our expert bay window contractors in Warren, Michigan ensure precise installation, enhancing both the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of your home. Whether you are looking for custom Bay Windows Warren or energy-efficient Bay Windows Warren, our team is equipped to meet your needs. Custom Bay Windows in Warren offer a personalized touch to your home, allowing you to choose from a variety of bay window styles. Warren, Michigan. Our bay window design Warren experts work closely with you to create a unique look that complements your home's architecture. From traditional to modern designs, our Bay Window Showroom Warren showcases a wide range of options. Energy-efficient bay windows Warren are designed to reduce energy costs while providing maximum comfort. Our bay window insulation Warren, Michigan solutions ensure that your home remains warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With our bay window glass Warren, Michigan, you can enjoy natural light without compromising on energy efficiency. Bay Windows Warren is a seamless process with our experienced team. We offer a variety of options, including vinyl bay windows Warren, Michigan and wooden bay windows Warren, Michigan, to suit your preferences and budget. Our affordable Bay Windows Warren solutions ensure that you get the best value for your investment. Vinyl Bay Windows Warren, Michigan are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. These windows are resistant to weather conditions, making them ideal for the Warren, Michigan climate. Our bay window frames Warren are designed to withstand the test of time, providing you with long-lasting beauty and functionality. Wooden bay windows Warren, Michigan offer a classic and timeless appeal. Our bay window experts Warren, Michigan specialize in crafting wooden windows that add warmth and character to any home. With our bay window maintenance Warren services, you can keep your wooden windows looking their best for years to come. Affordable bay windows Warren provide quality and style without breaking the bank. Our bay window suppliers Warren, Michigan offer competitive pricing on a wide range of products. Whether you are looking for bay window accessories Warren, Michigan or bay window hardware Warren, we have everything you need to complete your project. Bay Windows Warren, Michigan is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our skilled technicians can address any issues, from minor repairs to complete overhauls. With our Bay Window Upgrades Warren, Michigan, you can enhance the functionality and appearance of your existing windows. Bay Window Design Warren is all about creating a space that reflects your personal style. Our bay window styles Warren, Michigan range from contemporary to traditional, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your home. Visit our Bay Window Showroom Warren to explore the possibilities. Bay Window Contractors Warren, Michigan are dedicated to providing exceptional service and craftsmanship. Our team is committed to delivering high-quality results on every project, from bay window installation Warren, Michigan to bay window replacement Warren. Trust our bay window experts Warren, Michigan to bring your vision to life.